GMC Sierra 2019 to 2023. All right, GMC Sierra owners, we have something for you guys. If you own this vehicle and you have cloth seats, it's time to upgrade, guys. And we have right here this beautiful combination of black with white piping, perforated in the centers. And guys, the white piping is to match the color of the paint, so that's a good combination. We have more selections and colors, 60 different colors and combinations, exotics, quilting. We have diamonds, you name it, we carry everything. And that's what you're gonna get if you have this version of the Sierra, which is the single cab. This is what you get. This is the bottom section, guys, and again, this is a safe build product with the airbags and everything. All the reinforcements are right there. My pockets in the rear. For the little seat right here, you're gonna have the sections right there for the lean back, the cushion with the compartment on the top part, just like that. And guys, this one comes in different configurations. It's the same for the Chevy Silverado most of the times. But if you have questions, please just make an inquiry so we can help you to make the selection, recommend colors. We have this expertise when it comes to designs. Just let us know what color is your interior and the outside paint, and we can make recommendations so you know you're going to make the right decision on something that you really like. So visit LeatherTeck.com, give us a call, text to us, or just put it in the comments. We can reach to you and help you. The consultation is free, guys. You don't have to worry about paying for the consultation or anything like that. It's free of charge. Like and subscribe, guys, because we're going to keep on making more content on every vehicle that we touch. Not every vehicle, but most vehicles that we work on. So you have an idea what is possible for your vehicle in different scenarios. In this case, it's not really torn apart. It's just horrible cloth. And it's stained, worn out. And when you have a truck like this, guys, that you spend money on your wheels and you put a fancy dashboard and a fancy gauges for the instruments, and you put a big TV and you do everything. Actually, you also get a custom sound system, but you still have cloth. Guys, don't do that. Please get leather. It's not that expensive. It's very affordable compared to dealer options. Dealer options, guys, when you upgrade these vehicles, this next tier for the leather version of these trucks can go $8,000, $12,000, up to $15,000 additional to the price from the dealer. You don't have to spend that insane amount of money. We can help you to make this upgrade with low cost. Most of the time, these options comes with a lot of other add-ons that you are not really interested in. All you want is leather, maybe heaters, and if you want to go to the next level, you get cooling and heating, right, guys? Because sometimes you want to be cold in the summer and warm in the winter. So that's why we have the degree system, guys. Let's say you cannot go that route because it's really out of the budget. At least get seat heaters so you can warm up your ride in the winter. Okay, guys, so look forward for the video in the completion of this installation, because I know it looks wrinkly right now, but once it's completed, you're gonna see the results. They're fantastic, guys. And keep on riding on style. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. And there you have it, guys, the 2022 GMC Sierra transformation. Black wrap, perforation combo, white piping. And I think it's gonna look better in the other side. After wheels, tires, new grill, new instrument cluster, steering wheel, custom sound system. Yeah, it looks better this way. Beautiful, beautiful leather interior, guys. You deserve this. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Over 60 different colors, combinations, guys, you name it. Virtually for any car. Thank you, guys. If you have questions, please put it in the comments, like and subscribe. And don't wait too long to get leather. Do the transformation, guys, for your trucks. If you're doing everything that this client did, all the upgrades, for sure you want to do your leather. Thank you, guys.